Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Python tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about specifically adding elements to a list that is existing or that is just vacant that you want to add. So if we have a food one, right, and we print it out, so let's just do food right now, and we can leave these because my favorite foods are that. And if we decided to say we want food sub 0 to be ice cream, and then we did a print food, it would be different. It changed so we saw it from the fries, and then we changed it from sub 0. So we changed what the string was in that array so that we can know what it is, and so on and so forth. With that, you can do it in a different way as well. And so what else we could do is we could always append it. So if we got rid of this, and what we want to do is food dot append, and then we would add ice cream, and then we would do a control B, and there we go. So then at the end of the list we would see fries, hot dogs, burgers, shakes, and ice cream. So we appended it at the end of the list, so we added it. And that's how we basically do that, and how you append certain specific things. So the next thing what we could do is, if we did food 2 equals this means the array is, I want food 2. This means this is an empty array. So what we could do is then do food 2 dot append cola noodles, wings, and let's just say water, because that's what I'm looking at right now. And then once we appended all of them, if we did print food 2 and control B, we added to our list cola, noodles, wings, water, since it was empty. So that's how you could add your own specific things without typing through the brackets like we did up here and just add them there. That's another alternative way of appending the specific ways of doing that. And so what you could do as well is in here you could do food 2 dot insert, and you could do 0 and add energy drink. And so then if we did a print food 2 and then ran that, we appended it to the first thing. So we could always add it to wherever we want from the insert of the array, or the list if you need to. So I want it number 3, and we could just name this cake, and control B. And oh well, we didn't do a print for the new foods to see what's in there. And then if we did control B, cake would be after noodles, because that was where the array that we wanted to insert it, so it added it. So that's basically the way to insert, append, and insert specific strings inside of an array without predefining it if you need be. So this is basically how you do that. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to remove specific items from a list that you have done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys could like, comment, subscribe, and if anything is wrong, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.